Hey guys, this is Jerry from g.experience. Today I am at the Paris Air Show 2025. That's the last day of the show, and this Paris Air Show is one of the biggest aviation events in the world. Today we are going to see amazing aircraft. We are going to see crazy flight demos from the best of the aviation in the world. If you love planes like I do, you are at the right place. So let's go, guys. So we are now here in one of the exposition hall, and yeah, this is the last day. This is the last day of the show, and you won't see many professionals. So it started on Monday already, and today is the 22nd of June. So you will see some stands, but the professionals are not anymore there. So now I'm heading to the place, to the open air, where we are going to see the flight demos and also the amazing airplanes that we have in those areas. So I'm just walking through this place. So as you see here, you have devices that they already packed. So meaning that, okay, that's the last day of the show. And the show starts on Monday and ends on Sunday, and it's only open to the public Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So from Monday till Thursday, they are the professional of aviation, and that's where, you know, people sign crazy contracts about this. So let me take you through this place. Still crowded. Right, some technical stuff people are explaining there. Nice. Okay. I think they have like 2 or 3 big halls like this, right, where you have different stands from all the major actors in the aviation sector. Right. Okay. You have Air France industry stand over there. I think we see some pilots and people listening to some reports, I will say, of those professionals. And yeah, some flight simulators. We have kids there and also adults. All right. So as I said, many stands are now empty, so you don't see that much people. So they are slowly packing the thing, and yeah, they for sure sign some good deals here. So let us go now to the field, where we're gonna have a look at the different planes, and we even have helicopters, the choppers. I don't know if you can see there, that's an helicopter already doing a show over there. Oh, the name of that, maybe it might be a Puma or something like that. All right. This looks like an electric aircraft. The small thing that you see here. It is from the company called Surveyor. All right. That's a helicopter. That's the show going on over there. Yeah, this is one of the beasts. That's a fighting jet. You see that? That's a fighting jet from the French army called the Rafale. So cool. I don't know if I can go over there. It seems like it is closed. I know, that's the queue. You see over there, that's the queue of the people that want to go into the cockpit of one of those planes. So I just continue. All right.
Adapté pour les besoins de l'USAI pour la formation de ces pilotes et justement.
So guys, we are here in the Turkish Aerospace stand, and it is interesting because the queue is not that long. So compared to the queue that we have on the other side, where the people want to go to the cockpit of the Rafale, the French Rafale, here it is cool. So we're going to have a unique experience of getting inside one of those aircraft. So we have this chopper, and to go close to the drone that you see over there. You know, the Turk are developing and also manufacturing interesting drones that are now more and more present in the different battlefields that you see in the world, and that's apparently the red one that you see there is a training aircraft. So we're now going to have a look at this now, and yeah, so this helicopter is called the T625 Gobe. It's a utility helicopter, right? It's okay. Stay tuned. Let us see what we have there. So guys, we just had a look at the F-35 Lightning II. That's a beautiful plane that you see over there, right? This is it's an amazing aircraft. Terrific. I love it. So here we have the US Army displaying some planes. I also saw a drone. I also see a drone there, but I don't know what is that. Let me move forward. Let's move forward, guys. I just see now that they are moving a chopper. That's the one that did a demo as I was coming. So this thing was just displaying some nice show. Made some nice show in the air. Really good. So let us have a look at that and give a kudos to the team. Amazing. Oh, sorry. Look at that. Look at the cockpit, guys. Look at how it is. Very nice. Very good. Okay, let us continue. I think the speaker just announced the next fighting jet that is going to do a demo right now, and that is the I think the Rafale, the French one. So you're going to hear some thunder now. So let us wait, guys. In the meantime, we see this big plane from Airbus, the A350,000. It's huge. Yeah, that's the Rafale. Yeah, that's the Rafale taking off. I don't know if you can see that over there, guys. You see, that's the Rafale.
T'es à l'intérieur ou à l'extérieur?
Là, là, c'est pas lui, ça vient.